Hi everybody, welcome back to Allie's Voice. I'm Allison Love Beatty, and I have an interesting question to pose to everyone today. Diabetes management is been primarily focused on the beta cells and the lack thereof strength in being able to compensate for too much glucose. Yeah, kind of, but not so much. I actually was thinking about this after looking into some delta cell description, because I realized there's the alpha cells and there's the beta cells, but there's actually something called delta cells, which, believe it or not, are the primary cells for the regulation of blood glucose, or at least for blood sugar. And the fact is that in diabetes treatment it's very much ignored, and there's very little good information available on the internet about the delta cells. Alpha cells, they excrete the sugar out of the liver when there's a deficit in the body, and beta cells are supposed to excrete the insulin to mobilize the glucose through the cells. But the funny thing is that about the delta cells are the cells that are supposed to be excreting what's called somatostatin when your blood sugar is actually in normalized range. So I'm kind of wondering, why on earth are we focusing on trying to get this unattainable balance in blood sugar when the one thing that's really supposed to hold it stable is ignored? It's kind of like that, the theory, when you're looking for something you can't find, it's always in the last place you look. Duh, of course it is. Nobody's looking at somatostatin for the regulation of blood glucose, and I think that that's absolutely unintuitive. If anything, it's really just purveying the next greatest drug that's supposed to excite your beta cells to excrete insulin, or even worse, trying to increase beta cell mass, which, I don't know, on a very subtle level, it's almost like causing cancerous growth within the beta cells. Novo, I think you're on the right track with your DPP-4, whatever. So, alright. Here, that's my question. If you're out there and you're a scientist, or you're even, you're thinking about going into science and the study of treating diabetes, look at somatostatin. Look at the delta cells. I mean, the strongest force, you're looking at, alpha, beta, delta. This is what I explained the other night at JDRF, that meeting I was in the city, the dinner. It was a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun. They actually asked me who I wanted to talk to, what I wanted them to do. I would like to speak to the researchers who know everything about somatostatin and the delta cells. Because I gotta say, the teams out there right now being hell-bent on finding what the hell's the problem with beta cells, or what the hell's the problem with overactive alpha cells. Why are you forgetting the third leg of the race? It's important that, all of the team players are looking at everything, and if you keep yourself ignorant to one huge facet of the balance of blood sugar, you're not going to be part of the solution. You're really just part of the problem. Alrighty, I'll stop. If you have any questions, join me on 2diabetes.com, or just comment and keep this rolling, because we need to invigorate some brilliant modern science to take a look at what we need to see in order to address the issues of diabetes. Alright, see you guys all next time. Bye.